So hello everyone. In this video, I will provide the solutions of question number 2 and 3. Okay, that I have asked you in the half yearly uh, question paper in our tuition. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so question number 2. This first question carries 4 marks. Then this is again 4 marks, but this one C is of 5 marks. Okay. So let's see how to solve these questions one by one. Okay, so here let's see this question number 2 first bit. ठीक है? After charging GST at the rate of 12% on the marked price. Okay, so the GST is charged on the marked price. The price of the carpet becomes 16,800. The first line says that after adding GST on the marked price, the carpet becomes 16,800. Find the amount of discount that should be allowed to a customer so that he can buy it at the marked price inclusive of GST. So that means we need to find a discount given to the marked price so that the customer can buy the carpet on a total price of the marked price. Okay, that means the customer has to pay only the marked price as total, including the selling price plus the GST. Okay, so that means first of all we need to find the marked price of this question. Okay, so let's begin. Let the marked price be X, rupees X. Now according to question, 12% of GST is charged on this marked price. That means we can say that according to question, the marked price plus 12% of marked price. Okay, the mark price along with the 12% of the mark price is rupees 16,800. Okay, and the mark price is X, so X plus 12 by 100 into X equals to 16,800. And if we solve this, this will become 112x upon 100 and equals to 16,800. Now, if I need to find the value of 100, I will send this 100 and 112 on that side, and it will become like this into 100 upon 112. Now if we simplify this, the value of X will be 15,000. Okay, so the value of X will be 15,000. That means the marked price is rupees 15,000. So we got the mark price. Now the customer is asking a discount such that he had to only pay a total sum of 15,000 inclusive of the GST. Okay, so let's see how to do that. So we got the mark price. Now our aim is to find the discount. So in this case, let the selling price at the price at which the customer buys the carpet be rupees Y. Now according to question, selling price of the carpet plus GST on the carpet or on SP, this sums to the mark price of the carpet. We have taken the selling price as Y and the GST is 12%, so 12% of Y equals to the mark price, that is 15,000. Okay, so this is again 112% of Y. Now you may be confused, how does it become 112%? So to simplify, will not write this, rather we'll write y plus 12 upon 100 into y equals to 15,000, and this becomes 112y upon 100 equals to 15,000, and thus y equals to 15,000 into 100 by 112. Now if we simplify this, we may get a fractional value or a decimal value, because I don't think these two terms are divisible by 115. Okay, that's why the question has said answer to the nearest rupee. That means we have to approximate the answer to the nearest rupee. Okay, so let me use a calculator to calculate the value, and 15,000 into 100 divided by 112, and it is 13,392.86 approximately. So we will not approximate the selling price. Okay, we will approximate. That means the answer to nearest rupee must be the amount of discount. So let's find the discount first. So what is discount? You might have learned it before. Discount is nothing but marked price minus the selling price. Okay, the marked price is 15,000, and the selling price we got here is 13,392.86. So discount is marked price minus the selling price, that means 15,000 minus 13,392, and this will account you to 1607.14 approximately. But again it is saying us to approximate, that means we need to provide the answer to the nearest rupee. That means the nearest rupee answer will be rupees, okay, rupees 1607. So the discount amount of discount that should be given, discount is rupees 1607. So I hope you understood the question and as well as the answer. Okay. Okay, so let's proceed to the second question of question number 2. This is from geometry and precisely from similarity of triangles. Okay. In the adjoining figure, you can see this is the figure. Okay, let me enlarge it. So in this figure, P is a point on AB, P is a point on AB such that AP is to PB is 4 is to 3. That means this is 4 and this is 3 part. This is 4 part of AB and this is 3 part of AB. And PQ is parallel to AC. So this PQ is parallel to AC. Calculate the ratio PQ is to AC. That means we need to find the ratio of PQ is to AC. This is C. Okay. The image is being cut off. So we need to find the ratio PQ to AC. Okay. So before proceeding, how can we find the ratio of PQ to AC given the ratio of, now if you know the concept of similarity, if we can by any chance make triangle PQB and ACB similar, then we can use the concept of similarity, that if two triangles are similar, the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. Okay, so let's see here. If I take the two triangles, triangle ACB, so this is triangle, let's say this is triangle ACB. Again, let me copy and paste it, and this is C, this is A, and this is B, this is P, this is Q, and this is B. To understand it clearly, I just took out those two triangles so that we can see the picture clearly. Okay, now see, it is saying that AC is parallel to PQ. AC is parallel to PQ, and again AP, P is somewhere here around. AP is to PB is, okay, whatever that is later, that we'll understand it later. Can we make these two triangles similar? This is the question. Can we make these two triangles similar? Okay. Now see, this triangle is embedded here. This triangle can be embedded here. So this is your P, this is Q, and this is B. And it is saying that this triangle is similar. We need to prove that this triangle is similar to this SCB. Now how to proceed? Now see, since this is parallel to this, since AC is parallel to PQ, we can clearly say that this angle C is equal to angle Q. Why? Because these two are corresponding angles. And again, similarly, you can also say that this A angle is equal to angle P of triangle PQB, corresponding angles. So these two triangles become similar. So we'll write these two things that we discussed in triangle ABC and triangle PBQ. Okay, angle ACB is equal to angle PQB. Why? Corresponding angles. Okay, and again angle CAB is equal to angle QPB. The same reason, corresponding angle. And we have a criteria for similarity of two triangles, that if two corresponding angles of two triangles become equal, then those two triangles are similar to each other by the criteria of angle and angle. So that means we can say that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PBQ by angle criteria. Now, why did we make them similar? Just to use the concept that if two triangles are similar, then the ratio of their corresponding sides are equal. So we can from here say that this implies corresponding side. Now see which side is corresponding to which side. AC is corresponding to PQ, AB is corresponding side of PB, CB is corresponding to QB. So that means the ratio will be AC upon PQ, AB upon PB, and that is equal to CB upon QB. Now see what is given to us. AP is to PB, not AP is to P. We do not have any ratio here. AP is to PB, but we have B is to PB, AB is to PB. Now let's understand this. If AP is to PB is 4 is to 3, I can say that AP is 4x and PB is 3x. So what will be AB? AB will become 7x. So this implies that AC upon PQ is 7x upon 3x, and these two got cancelled, and that means AC upon PQ is 7 upon 3, which implies that, see, the question is PQ is to AC. So we will just use invertendo. That means PQ upon AC will become 3 upon 7. Now see, the question is the ratio of PQ is to AC, not the fractional value. So we will provide the answer in the form of ratio as well. That means therefore PQ is to AC is 3 is to 7. So I hope you understood the meaning, the solution of this question. The basic is we need to make two triangles similar so that we can obtain the ratio of their corresponding sides. Now moving to the second question. In triangle ARC, now observe this triangle ARC. Okay, in triangle ARC is 90 degree, and in triangle QSP, PSQ is 90 degree. So these two angles are 90 degree to each other. QS, this QS is 6 cm. Then calculate the value of AR. That means it is very clearly saying that you need to make these two triangles similar. You need to make these two triangles similar to find the value of AR. Now, can we make triangle ARC and triangle PSQ similar? If yes, how? Let's see. So let's see. We have been asked to find the ratio of AR. No, we have been asked to find the value of AR. Okay. So before that, we'll make triangle ARC and triangle PSQ similar. Now, how can we do that? Let's see. So you can observe here that since this line is parallel to this line and this is a transversal, I can say that this angle is equal to this angle. Why? Because of alternate interior angles. Again, this is 90 degree and this is 90 degree as well. So again we can say that triangle ARC and triangle PSQ are similar by the criteria angle. So just write it. In triangle ARC and triangle PSQ, angle ACR equals to angle PQ, sorry, ACR equals to QPR, sorry, QPS. Okay, you need to follow the naming. ACR, so is A equal to P? No, the naming is not good as well. Okay, let me see, let me check. QSP, yeah, the name was QSP, I wrote it wrong. QSP. So ACR is equal to QPS. Okay, good. Again, angle ARC is okay. Why this? Alternate, or you can write it shortly as AIA, alternate interior angles. Okay, ARC is equal to angle PSQ. Sorry, QSP again. QSP. Why? Both are 90 degrees. So therefore, triangle ARC is similar to triangle QSP by angle criteria. Just we make these two triangles similar in the same way. We did this as well. Now, since these two triangles are similar, we can say that AR upon QS is equal to RC upon SP is equal to AC upon QP or PQ, whatever. Now we know the value of AC is to PQ. We have found it earlier. Yeah, PQ is to AC is 3 is to 7. That means AC is to PQ is 7 is to 3. This implies AR, the value we need to find PQS. I think the value of QS is given. Yeah. QS is 6 cm. That is 6 cm. This is of no need because none of these values are provided. AC is to QB is 7 is to 3. This implies AR is 7 by 3 into 6 centimeter, and that means AR is 14 centimeter. Okay, so this AR is 14 centimeter. So I hope you understood how we use the concept of similarity and how did we make two triangles similar, and after making them similar, how what information can we gather. If two triangles are similar, then their corresponding angles are equal and the ratio of corresponding sides are also equal. Now let's move to the next question. Okay, this is the third question of question 2. It's saying if A is this, B is this, then and A plus B whole square is A square plus B square, then find the value of A and B. Okay, let's see. So the value of the two matrices are given. What is more given that A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square. So let's begin with this statement. A plus B whole square is A square plus B square. And what does this mean? This means A plus B into A plus B is equal to A square plus B square. See, we cannot use here the identity that A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB. This is matrix and not simple numbers or alphabets. So we cannot do that here. So we need to follow the basic method. So A into A is A square plus AB, then plus BA, then plus B square, and this is A square plus B square. Now you can see A square and A square will be cancelled, B square and B square will be cancelled as well. So we are left with AB plus BA. Now see, don't just add them because we have already studied that the product of two matrices are not commutative. That means AB and BA are not sure to be equal. They may be equal, they may be unequal as well. So we cannot just make it 2AB equals to 0. Okay. So now we need to find AB, the product of A and B, and again the product of B and A. So let's do this here. Now AB, what is AB? That means 1 minus 1, 2 and minus 1. Again AB 1 and minus 1. Now just we'll try to multiply these two matrices, and the rule is the first row will get multiplied with the elements of the first column of the second matrix. Okay, so 1 into A is A and minus 1 into B is minus B. Again 1 into 1 is 1 and minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. 2 into A 2A, minus 1 into B minus B, 2 plus 1. So this is AB and this is A minus B, 2, 2A minus B and 3. So this is AB. Now again we need to find the value of BA. That means the matrix B first and then the matrix A. Okay. So this will be A into 1A plus 1 into 2, 2, A into minus 1 minus A minus 1, B minus 2 minus B plus 1. So this will be as it is. Yeah, I cannot solve it further. So this is BA and this is AB. Now their sum must be 0, so let's add them. How do we add two matrices? We add the corresponding elements. That means A11 will be added to B11. Okay, if two matrices are there, A and B, then the first element of matrix A will be added to the first element of matrix B. A minus B plus A plus 2, this becomes 2A minus B plus 2. 2 plus minus A minus 1, that means this is minus A plus 1. 2A minus B plus B minus 2, minus B plus 2, minus B plus B got cancelled, and this is 2A minus 2, and 3 minus B plus 1, that is minus B plus 4. Now this must be 0. That means 0 matrix. That means each element must be 0. So we just need to solve any two equations. If I solve this and this, that means minus A plus 1 is 0 and minus B plus 4 is also 0, and this gives me A is 1 and B is 4. So therefore A becomes 1 and B becomes 4. So this is the answer. To first simplify the given equation, then do whatever is needed. So I'll end here and provide the solutions of question number 3 in the next video.